Jules, bakit dito mo naisipang para mag-post birthday celebration with the kids?
Kasi I haven't really celebrated my birthday, like yung official na celebration. Pero nung sabi ko, sana makapag-celebrate ako with some kids kasi I really love kids eh. Tapos parang every year, ginagawa ko na siya kasi tawag dito, I do charities and parang parties din with different organizations din. So, parang ano ko na siya, parang routine ko na siya.
Or to give back then?
Parang routine ko na talaga siya. Tsaka, as much as possible talaga, I always try to, parang give back. Parang spend time with more people. Especially the kids.
Bakit malapit sa'yo yung mga bata? Bakit parang merong...
Hindi ko rin po talaga sure eh. Kasi siguro, gusto kong I don't know, hindi ko lang talaga alam. Basta sobrang gaan talaga ng mga ko sa bata. Hindi ko lang alam talaga kung bakit. Hindi ko ma-explain for some unexplainable reason.
You are how young today?
I'm 22. Actually, hindi ko feel na 22 now.